When you wake up bleary-eyed, normal things can look odd.
Getting a drink of water?
And odd things, even odder.
Well, I'm training in gravity boots. Tomorrow's the big day. I'm scheduled to take my first rocket ride. Again. George, it's okay to look, just don't touch anything. Well, it's good to train for falling down too, I guess.
Good morning, boys. You remember Professor Einstein and Professor Pizza.
So, are you ready to become the first normal guy to walk in space?
No one on Earth is more ready or more normal. Just ask my monkey.
Well, you know your mission, repairing the Einstein Pizza Space Telescope.
Like this normal telescope. It makes faraway things look closer. But our telescope is much bigger, so it can see much, much further. Plus, it's in outer space, beyond the ruinous interference of Earth's atmosphere.
It gave us these amazing pictures of distant planets and nebula, stuff out in space.
But the controls got stuck, and now it only points at Earth.
Yes, in fact, it's aimed directly at Professor Pizza's kitchen window. All we've gotten for a month are pictures of Tony cooking and one of his dog licking a cake.
And I didn't see that one till after we ate the cake.
To repair the telescope, you'll replace 4 cube-shaped batteries.
Oh, here you go.
You will also replace 3 cylinder-shaped gyroscopes. Gyroscopes help aim the telescope. It's hard for you to understand. I'll explain it another time.
Sorry, George. Too complicated for little monkeys.
No, I meant you.
Oh, right.
You'll remove the telescope's Grunsfeld Smith nut using this wrench. When its lever is pushed to the left, it spins left to loosen. To tighten it again, push the lever to the right, and it spins to the right.
Wow, you hear that, George? Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, even in space.
Okay, it's time to launch.
So when I spacewalk, I go out this door, then close it behind me, just like at home?
Oh, you don't do anything. We designed it so it closes and locks itself automatically after you exit.
Well, how do I get back in? I don't see a doorknob. Oh, there's a secret button, isn't there?
Oh.
Oh, don't tell me you didn't design a way for him to get back inside after the spacewalk.
The automatic locking door was Pizza's idea.
No, the automatic closing door was mine. He said, let's make it lock, too.
Oh, we have to scrub the mission.
Oh, no, please. What if someone else goes with me and opens the door from inside?
There's no room for another man. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition.
George, we're in outer space together.
You are in position to activate our remote. Perfect. we'll take it from here.
Guided by the scientists, the rocket hooked onto the telescope. It was time for the spacewalk.
George, your job is to push this button and let me back inside.
Okay, attach your tether.
This keeps me attached to the rocket while I'm outside.
Who uh-oh'd? What's uh-oh?
The tether link ripped off my suit.
Then you can't go outside. Oh, boy, we have to scrub the mission.
Oh, no!
Let George do it!
I know. My job is to push this button and let you back inside. And don't forget, be a good little monkey spacewalker.
There's nothing a monkey likes better than a spacewalk.
Wow, that city kid really gets around.
George knew what he had to do first. Remove the nuts using the wrench. Why didn't it move? He knew the rule. Lefty-loosey and righty-tighty. He wasn't the first monkey to mix up his loosey and his tighty. Just the first one in space.
Oh, did I mention George only has enough air to last 2 minutes?
Well, you did now. George, you must complete the mission expeditiously. Huh? I mean, finish up and get back in the rocket very quickly.
Putting replacements in was pretty easy. And then it wasn't. Maybe he needed to put this stuff in exactly where the old stuff was. Oh no, this last hole was a completely different shape.
George, you need to head inside now.
George? I'm going out there after him.
You can't. You don't have a tether.
Oh, boy.
Why, it wasn't a different shape at all. Now he needed righty-tighty.
George, you have only 5 seconds of air left.
That's it, I'm going out.
No, you'll float out into space.
He made it! George is safe!
Yes, George! George did it. The telescope controls work again.
Great work, guys. You're coming home.
Oh, it wasn't 2 minutes. It was an hour and 2 minutes. My mistake.
All you needed was ears to know Betsy's birthday party was in full swing. Of all the party sights, sounds, smells, and tastes, one thing caught George's interest. And it smelled like candy.
Like my piñata, George? I'm glad you like it, because it's time to break it. George, it's a game. Whoever breaks it wins the candy inside. You want to go first? You have to hit the piñata with the bat.
Hold on. You're not ready yet. Okay, give it your best whack.
Missed. Try again.
Oh no! Oh, Stephen, move the bird! House! Oh, never mind.
George was sure he'd whacked that piñata by now.
Well, this is a good time to make lemonade. Everyone inside. I think George feels a little shy
About smashing the place up?
about not winning. Could you please ask him to rejoin the party?
Can I sit with you? If I go in, I have to keep waiting on my little sister and her little friends. You know, I could show you how to whack a piñata the right way. Sure, it'd give me a reason to stay out here longer. You always play follow the leader with Charky all over the neighborhood, right? Play now, except do it without seeing her. Go on, Charky, you're leader.
George knew that sound.
That's right, follow her. You gotta figure out how to avoid walking into trees. Without looking. Hey, do you want to get good at this and win piñata candy or what? I'll get us some lemonade. Watching you run around is making me thirsty. Keep following her while I'm gone.
Charky got quiet, so George concentrated on listening. If there was one thing Charky loved more than escaping, it was follow the leader. Steve was right. George could tell exactly where Charky was.
Ugh, I'm glad I don't have to be in there. I'm too old and too smart to be playing. Uh-oh. George? Charky?
Say, Steve! You looking for Charky?
Yeah, did you see her? Or was George with her? Which way did they go?
That way.
George was doing great. He was able to follow Charky everywhere with his ears. But it wasn't easy. There were so many sounds in the city, all happening at the same time. He wasn't going to peek. He was going to do this right. Charky was right ahead of him, so maybe if he kept going...
Did a black dog flip by, followed by a blindfolded monkey?
You mean there's nothing wrong with my glasses?
Which way did they go?
Where was he? These things didn't feel familiar. What were they for?
What's that sound?
Sounds like a hose.
Our hose?
George, did you pull the pump valves?
Had George lost Charky? Nothing he touched felt furry. And he didn't hear her. Ah, but his nose knew that wet dog aroma. She was close by.
Why don't we get any normal visitors here?
She was hiding again, but George knew how to find a silent wet dog. Fur. He'd caught up with Charky, but it didn't smell like a wet dog. And this dog was too small to be Charky. This dog was a cat. Delicious smell plus a cat, he knew exactly where he was. With gnocchi at Chef Bischetti's place. A place with great food is exactly where Charky would go.
Oh no! What have you done? My pasta!
You know, normally if I heard yelling followed by crashing, I'd worry it's George. But he's at a party.
Is it a black dog flip by, followed by a blindfolded monkey? How come everybody in town's seen him, but I can't find him?
It wasn't so noisy here. And there was grass. Why, even blindfolded, he knew he was in Endless Park. And that wet dog smelled close. George smelled and touched and found something that felt like Charky. When he heard her bark, he knew it was Charky.
I searched everywhere. I can't find George and Sharky.
Did you look there?
Now just take one swing this time, okay?
This time, George didn't just use the bat. He used sound. And touch. And smell.
I taught him everything he knows.
George had used all his senses except one to find the piñata, and that one was taste.